Hello, I'm Joe from Gowrings Mobility. I'm here today to show you our Vauxhall Combo and how to load and secure a wheelchair safely in the vehicle. Okay, so we're just going to open the back of the vehicle up now. The little button underneath that does that for you. As you can see, we've got our lightweight ramp, and just down here, the little red lever, you pull that towards you, the ramp's released, and with the handle on the side, it can go safely down onto the floor. So now the wheelchair's at the bottom of the ramp, we're now going to move on to the front restraints. At the minute, they're in the vehicle and they're locked in. To release them, there's a little button on the side here. You flick this on and then go in and grab the two restraints. And then on every chair, there should be an anchor point of where the front restraint should go. And all these do, nice and safely, clip around the front of the chair. Then to turn them off, so you're ready to go in, flick the switch and push the chair in. So now the wheelchair's ready to go into the vehicle. All you have to do is push the chair up and inside the vehicle. When it's up in position, just slightly pull the wheelchair back and it will lock the front belts. Pop a brake on if you like to for an extra bit of safety. The next point is the rear restraints, and these are fairly simple. All you need to do is grab them at sort of a 3 o'clock angle and slide it straight across the rear restraint point. Turn it round, hold the red button down and clip it on the back anchor point. You can tighten it by turning the silver knob on the side. And then the same again for this one. 3 o'clock angle, slide across, red button down and clip it and turn the silver knob. And at that point there, the wheelchair is safely and secure in the vehicle. Some of you may have this heavy duty belt for slightly bigger chairs. This works in exactly the same way as I just showed you on the other rear restraints. So now it's to pop the seatbelt on for the wheelchair user. It clips off of here, and a very similar clip at the back here, straight and clips on. Then the other part, and again very similar, clip straight on. And this will act as a standard seatbelt, a lap on diagonal, go around the wheelchair user and clip in like so. To tighten the seatbelt, all you need to do is pull the top here, and that will safely secure the wheelchair user with the seatbelt. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. So now the wheelchair's in safely, all you have to do is grab the handle on the ramp, pull it up into position, make sure it's clicked twice so then it stops the rattling, come back out, pop the boot down and you're ready to go. So you've arrived at your destination. Now to safely unload the wheelchair. Again with the ramp, red lever down to put it down nice and safely. To undo the seatbelt, you've got the red button around here. It'll clip round and off and down. To remove these, to remove the seatbelt attachments, silver off and it just pulls straight off. And then the same on this side here. And that can be secured safely up there. To release the rear restraints, the red lever here, push that button down, unhook it, spin it round to the 9 o'clock angle, lift the middle silver bit and slide away. And then you will do the same on this side. Red lever down, unhook, slide round, lift the silver and slide out. Then at this point, you need to turn on the front restraints. Turn the button on. You need to make sure you push the chair slightly forward to release the front belts, and then slowly and safely guide the chair back down to the ramp. And then unhook the front restraints and let them go safely back into the vehicle. So some of you guys may have an electric winch. As you can see up here, we have the electric winch controller, which is stored up on the side. The electric winch is very easy to use. It has two buttons on the controller. You have an in button to pull the restraints in and an out button. For example, for it to come out, hold the out button. For it to come in, hold the in button. So when you're attaching it to the wheelchair, you can pull it all the way out, and the restraints go around exactly the same place as the front restraints, and they just clip in like a tongue and buckle. And then you do that on both sides. Always remember to check this switch as you're going in. The restraint will stretch, the controller will stretch all the way out. And now you're ready to go in. And all you got to do is guide the chair and hold the in button as you're going in. So as you're going in, please stop on those yellow stripes, as if you go any further, the winch will get stuck in the winch house. So you're ready to come out whilst using the winch. Always remember to flick this switch on to release the front belts. Then all you're going to do is you're going to go a tad in to release the front belts, and then guide the chair back out by holding the out button. What you might find, the winch may have a bit of slack, but just let that go, and then you can hold the out button all the way to the bottom, and then the wheelchair user is out nice and safely. So just on the petrol cap, opens here, and it is pop your key in, twist it to the left, and it comes out. And once you've refueled, pop it in, twist it to the right, and it's locked and secure. And close the cap. So to remove the removable seat, on both sides there will be these blue switches. You lift up this big one and turn it to the left to unlock it, twist this round to the left as well, and where you've done that on both sides, you should be able to slide the seat forwards. The chair then will be able to lift out of the rail, and then that leaves you with extra space in your vehicle. So you want to put your seat back in, you've lined it back up on the rails, it's now in position, give it a slight push back, drop the big one of the blue knobs either side, then tighten the little one, and that will be your seat back in position.